Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore Terraria and find out how to locate the elusive Goblin Tinkerer. This NPC is crucial for enhancing your gear and progressing through the game. To find the Goblin Tinkerer, you first need to defeat the Goblin army. This can be done by meeting two criteria: having at least 2 health points, which requires 5 heart crystals found in the underground cavern layer, and breaking a crimson heart or shadow ORB, the crimson and the corruption bimals. Once you have defeated the goblin army, the goblin tinkerer will spawn in the cavern layer. He appears as a bound NPC, so you will need to explore thoroughly to find him. To increase your chances, you find him, use item like the hunter potion to highlight NPC. After rescuing the Goblin Tinkerer, will need to build him a house to fully utilize his services. With his help, you can reforge your gear and craft essential item like Tinkerer Workshop. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos.